Yeah. Good morning and welcome back to the White Cook Shop. Remember me just showing how to do fish. Now see what I do with the fish here now. I clean it up and now I'm going to season it up. Right. Now go with my black pepper first. So I'm going to make sure inside that fish. Black pepper inside. Little bit of all-purpose inside. Little bit of garlic powder inside. Little bit of the flavor enhancer. And see it again all-purpose. And mix the paprika. We want it outside that fish, you know, so we rub some on the outside. Little bit of paprika. Little bit of all-purpose, the black pepper, inside and outside to make sure so your thing have flavor. Alright? Little tip of garlic outside that thing. And make sure so your fish season up good. Now, once you season up your fish like this now, inside and outside, you know, make sure so your flavor, the seasoning soak in that fish. So when you fry your fish come out nice and crispy. Alright. Now like I say again, one season up like that, we're going to season up the bream now. Same thing, same flavors. We got some boom with the black pepper, little bit of the garlic powder, some all-purpose, some fish season there as well here. So we got some boom now with the flavor enhancer, little bit of all-purpose, and to get color and nice flavor and taste, we go with the paprika. So see me there now, so we are red ring and snapper here. Now follow me. Now go straight over to the frying pan there and sizzle. Put a hot scotch bonnet pepper and I think to get some more flavor. So watch this now, straight in with the fish. Don't be frightened. It's not going to burn you. Just be brave when you're in the kitchen. So we have to fry the fish and go and fry this now. So go and watch easy. I'm out.